Hey guys, Buck WSR Weezer, putting the do into do-it-yourself. I'm here today with this Craftsman lawnmower, and it's got a Briggs & Stratton engine on it. And this engine is on a lot of different lawnmowers, not just Craftsman, but MTD and all kinds of stuff. And it's also on pressure washers, a very popular engine. And belongs to a buddy of mine, and he told me that the gas cap keeps falling off. I thought that's pretty weird. So I took a look at it, and sure enough, when I took a look at the gas cap, I observed that it's missing the gasket that goes around here that creates a tight seal at the top of the gas tank. So it's just falling off real easily and also leaking. Let me see if I can give you a closer view of this. So there's supposed to be a gasket right in here that provides a nice tight seal. This is not a vented gas cap because this gas tank vents through the gas tank vents right here through the air cleaner assembly, so it's not a vented fuel tank and it shouldn't leak at all. So since it was missing the gasket, I said, well, let's just buy a new one just to replace it. Easy enough. It was 10 or 15 bucks. I don't really remember. Put it on, gave the mower back to my buddy, and shortly thereafter he said to me, hey, I thought you were going to fix this gas cap for me. It keeps falling off. I said, fix it. I replaced it with a brand new one. And sure enough, brought it back to me, and once again, this brand new gas cap no longer has that gasket on there. So what happened to the gasket? Well, I have no idea. I don't see it down inside the tank. So that I thought there's got to be if this is happening to us, there's probably a million other people with the same mower or same engine that are having the same problem. And I didn't want to pay another 10 or 15 bucks for the gas cap, so I said, let's just see if we can get a gasket to fit this, actually a better one with a better seal that's not going to fall off. So I went down to my local hardware store, so let me show you what I found, and if you're having this problem, I think this will help you as well. Right. Okay, so once again, here's a look at that gas cap, and the gasket's supposed to ride in this groove, and it's clearly missing. So I decided to go down, and I experimented with a few different gaskets down at the hardware store, and I want to show you what I found. I bought a couple of these, $1 or $2 a piece. And what I ended up getting was this gasket that here are the dimensions of the gasket that I found works really. I think it's going to work really good. I want to make sure you can see that. It's got an outside diameter of 1 3/4 and inside diameter of 1.5 inches, which means that the thickness of the gasket is 1/8 of an inch, right? So you add 1/8 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch to the two sides, it's 1/4 of an inch. Add that to your inside diameter of 1.5 inches, and you got an outside diameter of 1 3/4. So if you take note of that size, those are the dimensions when you buy a gasket that's going to give you 1 3/4 outside diameter, inside diameter 1.5 inches. So it's 1/8 of an inch thick. And so we can just put this on here, do it in 2 steps. First over that initial lip, and then get it down where it goes right here. And that's on there. That's nice and tight. This is not a gasket that's going to fall off accidentally, in my opinion. So let's go put it up on the gas tank and see what kind of fit we get. So this gas cap has a clip that hooks in here so that you don't misplace it, and this just spins on there. So let's get this in there, and this is definitely tighter than the original one. So that is on there now, and that's a good snug fit. That will not be coming off. That will not be leaking. I like that a whole lot better. And for $2, now it's a little tight, but it comes off without a problem. That is not going to leak, and I don't think that gasket's going to get lost very easily. So that's just a little tip to help you if you're having trouble with a leaking gas cap or a gas cap that keeps falling off. Remember our size: 1 3/4 inch outside diameter, 1.5 inch inside diameter, 1/8 inch thick. That will get you back in business and solve your problem without having to buy multiple replacement fuel caps for your Briggs & Stratton engine. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.